Laura Marano, and this is who I am. I think that I've always really enjoyed learning about new things. I think even listening to classical music and instrumental music, there's definitely a story that's there.
Over the years, as she's gotten older, she's become even more of an artist.
With piano, you're constantly learning and you're constantly creating new techniques. Including my dog, I have 4 other members of my family, including myself, there's 5. Really honestly feels like one of the most supportive families on earth. My father cooks incredible Italian food.
Toast like that. Then put some of this thing in there, put it like that.
Okay.
I like the way you toast the pasta.
You know, Dad, I learned from the best. My father is so incredible. I can't tell you how thankful I am to have him as a father. He loves me so much, and I love him exactly the same, maybe a bit more back. And my mom does so much, and she's so supportive. I know she always wants the best for me, and that's a really nice feeling to have.
She finds a positive in every single person out there. And looking through her eyes, I've learned a lot from Laura.
One more time. Okay. Boom. Boom, 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 boom.
Every time we do improv, she'll just always have sound effect with it. It's super funny.
Boom, 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 boom. I knew a guy named Ed.
I'm always wanting to really work on my craft, whether it's acting or singing or work at school.
She wants to keep learning and keep absorbing. She's like a sponge that wants to just, grasp all the water.
I've always really enjoyed learning about new things. There's so much in this world to know about. Why wouldn't you want to learn about it? I'm Laura Marano, and this is who I am.
That's just who I am.